Hey everyone, today the Globe guys are in Sicily, and on our latest stop of our Mediterranean cruise we stopped off at the port of Messina. Now we didn't know much about Messina, so... Hey everyone, welcome to the Globe guys. Today we're on the latest stop of our Mediterranean cruise and we're in Sicily. We stopped off at the port of Messina and we woke up this morning not knowing what to do, so we got Google out and we read about this place. It's called Taormina and it's a little town high in the mountains along the coastline between Messina and Catania, so we thought we'd come and give it a visit.
Yeah, and it's beautiful.
Yeah, so we came down on the train, beautiful train ride right along the coast, and we had to transfer it onto the bus, and we've just arrived here on the town on top of the hill. The main attraction of Taormina is the Greek amphitheatre, so we're heading up there now.
When extended it to about 10,000 people. Now for some reason we had sound failure here as I was trying to tell you that this amphitheatre can hold up to 10,000 spectators, and it is a really dramatic backdrop because in the distance over there, right, you can actually see Mount Etna.
So the Greek Theatre of Taormina is well worth the visit. It costs €10 for an adult. If you're aged between 18 and 25, it's just €5, and if you're under 18, it's free.
So it is beautiful here, and it's even got its own film festival. So stand by because the Globe guys could be appearing at the Taormina Film Festival sometime soon.
our very quick whistle-stop tour to Taormina. And it's one of those instances, I think, where the Globe guys have messed up, because we should have researched this before we got to Messina, because it'd have been great to have spent a lot more time here.
It's beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. We have not done this justice at all in the, I don't know, hour and a half that we've had here. You know, so, but hopefully this video just gives you a taste and a sample of what is possible here, you know, and what you're going to see, which is all, that was our intent. So we have thoroughly enjoyed being here.
We have. So what we've seen the ancient amphitheatre, we've seen some fantastic Italian architecture. We've had a little bit of pizza.
We have. It's so quaint, you know, and we say this a lot in our videos, particularly about Italy because it's beautiful, but just the lanes and the little streets, and they're just literally picture postcard, and it is, Taormina absolutely ticks that
and
picture
towering
postcard
over
box.
it is, of course, Mount Etna.
Absolutely, absolutely. So there are some amazing views from the top, not of Mount Etna, of Taormina, when you look down over the bay, just incredible.
Beautiful, yeah. Anyway, that's our train that's just been announced, so we've got to go. But remember, if you've enjoyed this video or any of our videos, please subscribe to us, and you can also follow us on Facebook.
Absolutely, and check out our website, www.theglobeguys.com.
And we'll see you in the next destination. Arrivederci.
Ciao.